數以千計全副武裝嘅警員日以繼夜喺沃特敦鎮展開大圍捕，尋找19歲疑犯焦哈爾嘅下落。警員逐家逐戶入屋搜查，最終鎖定一間房屋。有目擊者話，現場傳出多下槍聲，並一度傳出爆炸聲。據報，焦哈爾匿藏喺停放喺後院嘅一艘船上被捕，佢受重傷流血，已經送往當地醫院治療。警方形容正義取得勝利。
We are so grateful to be here right now. We're so grateful to bring justice and a closure to this case. To those families that lost loved ones or suffered injuries that they'll live with the rest of their lives.
焦哈爾同佢26歲哥哥塔梅爾蘭被指策動星期一嘅馬拉松爆炸案，並喺星期五麻省理工學院射殺一名校警。塔梅爾蘭其後被警方擊斃。香港寬頻電視記者金瑩報導。